Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from Thread Beast. You know I gotta open it up. I gotta see what's inside. You know I gotta give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back. So right here I do have my box from Thread Beast, you feel me? So this is my first time getting anything from Thread Beast, and I'm very anxious, very excited to see what's inside, because basically what they do is you fill out a style profile, you know, the kind of clothes that you like to wear, and they put together a package of items for you. So they're different levels, and we'll get into that later, but I'm just ready to see what's inside the box. What did I get from my first time? So I do have my trusty box cutter, you know, peel back gang, you know the vibes, man. We're gonna go ahead and give it a good old slice. Let's get a good slice on there. Boom. And you know what time it is, man. Let's go ahead and peel it back. Let's go. Alright, so we're peeling it back. As you can see on the box, it does say one less trip to the mall, because you don't have to go to the mall if you got the Thread Beast. Ooh, very nice. Okay. Alright, so we're starting off. We got a Thread Beast sticker right here. We got the Thread Beast sticker. We have some tissue paper. Handle with care. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh yeah, we got a lot of stuff in here, man. So I'm gonna go over each piece. I'm gonna put it on. You gonna see it, man. We gonna make it happen. Right here, we do have a Nixon watch. You know you can never go wrong with the accessories. We have a Nixon watch right here, and it's looking good. This is called the Patrol, and it is in black and silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We starting off right, man. So we got the Nixon watch. Let me go ahead and pull that on out. Very nice box right here. And oh yeah, the watch is looking lovely. Watch is looking lovely right here. Let's see if we can catch some of that. We have that all black. We have the black dial. We got some of those silver hits right there. And yeah, man, like I said, when you get that Thread Beast box, you don't know what's inside. So yeah, I'm very happy, man. We're starting off on the good foot with this one, or on the good wrist, let's say. And yeah, man, you can't really go wrong with a black watch. Now, I already have a gold watch, so I'm glad that this one is black, because it gives me a little bit of a darker watch, you know, to wear with some of my darker colors. But I mean, the watch really looks good. We're gonna go ahead and throw that on the wrist. You feel me? Got that easy snap. All you gotta do is snap it on there and you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and let's see what it looks like on the wrist. We got some clothes in here, and we're going to start off with a Tahari t-shirt. Now you do put your sizes in and everything, so I did put in size medium, which is the size that I do like to wear when it comes to my shirts. We do have this white with the black stripe Tahari shirt. Very clean. And it does have the tag right here, which is a Motion Tech. So this is performance wear. Let's see what the fabric is on this. This is 60% polyester, 40% cotton. Now the good thing about that is when you wash it, it should not shrink. And I would still probably dry it on low. I don't do a lot of heat when it comes to my t-shirts, because I don't want them to shrink. But since this is a 60-40, you shouldn't really have to worry about shrinkage. And you know I gotta put this on so you guys can see what this looks like on body. You know I'm trying everything on, man. We're doing nothing but fits with this box. And right here, the next thing that I do have in the box, it looks like we have a pair of jeans. We have a pair of jeans from Taylor Vintage right here. Now this brand I'm not necessarily familiar with, but you know I'm gonna throw these on. You can't go wrong with black jeans, you feel me? So We got the black jeans. I will be throwing these on. And you can't go wrong with black jeans. You feel me? You have a whole bunch of different types of shoes that these will go with. And no matter where you are in your collection, in your wardrobe, in your closet, you can never go wrong with a pair of black jeans. I did get these in a 34, 32, which is my preferred size. We have the button. We also have that. Got that good zipper right here. Hopefully this is like a slim or a skinny type of a fit. But I will definitely try these on and show you what I would wear. I could wear these with the shirt that I just got too. That might be the move. But yeah, so let's take a quick look at the back. We do have those two back pockets with that Taylor vintage tag right here. But yeah, let's see what that looks like on body. And right here, I do have the jeans on as well as the shirt. I was able to put them both on together. I mean, it's a very nice, clean look. You can't really go wrong, especially with the black jeans. And I do feel like I'll be able to get a lot of wear out of the jeans. And I mean, I went ahead and threw it on with the Panda Dunks, another black and white article. So I mean, it already just matches very well together. Went ahead and threw that Chicago White Sox hat on as well. And if you didn't notice, I do have the watch on, man. So I was able to put a lot of stuff on just with this one fit right here. I mean, I feel like it's a really good look. Oh, and right here, I decided to throw it on in more of a luxury style outfit. So right here, I do have the same shirt, same pants. But instead of the hat, I went ahead and went with the sunglasses just because I felt like that would give it more of a luxury take. You saw the red bottoms on right there, man. Definitely a clean look. I feel like you could rock this to the club or to the lounge, something like that. You feel me? Give you a little bit of that pop. We do have that watch again, and I mean, it's definitely a good look. And I really like the fact you get to communicate with your stylist, you know, and your specific preferences, what you like, what you don't like, so that your box comes out the way you want every time. And right here, we do have a hat from Mitchell & Ness right here. This is a Mitchell & Ness. This is a strap back hat right here. And if you're familiar with me or my Instagram, you know I do love Mitchell & Ness. Even though most of my hats from Mitchell & Ness are snapbacks, because they're usually like a team like the Bulls, the Pistons, you feel me, the Lakers. So this is a little bit different for me, but this is an adjustable fit. We do have that strap locking mechanism. We have the Mitchell & Ness. Let's see, this right here just kind of helps your hats to keep their shape. So we do have another piece right here, and just by looking at this, I definitely like that Mitchell & Ness on the back side. Now, I most likely will wear it backwards, but I'll probably give you a look with it backwards and forward. But when you come with that kind of camo, that khaki color, it's very universal. You can wear it with a lot of stuff, and I definitely like versatile pieces because then you can wear them with anything. And you know, this, I could just see myself rocking with a white tee, something super clean, something crisp. And yeah, let me show you what this looks like. And so this is what the hat looks like on, you feel me? I usually like to wear my hats like this, like similar to like the polo style hats. I usually like to wear them backwards, but I mean, you see you got the white tee. You can't really go wrong with the white tee. And right here, I do have some jeans that are like a similar kind of like that tannish type of a wash on them, you feel me? So just wear the white tee, some cool jeans, you will be straight. I will go ahead and turn the hat around just for the people that want to see what it looks like forward. Let me go ahead and here we go. This is like the forward look of it. I mean, it looks good either way. You can really go either way with this hat, you feel me? But yeah, man, very clean piece, very nice accessory. Definitely glad to add this to the collection. Thing that I did receive in my box from Thread Beast, we have a jacket. This is actually a corduroy jacket, and it is Ben Sherman. Ben Sherman. So if you guys know your labels, you know Ben Sherman is a very popular brand, and yeah, I'm glad to add this to the collection. Maybe they know because it's that fall time, you know, fall is definitely coming, that they included this nice corduroy jacket, you feel me? This, I can see this, you know, if you're going out, going date night, something like that, you might want to throw this on, kind of get your grown man vibe on. But yeah, this is very nice. I'm gonna throw this on, let you see what this looks like on body. And right here, I do have the jacket on. Jacket is looking good. Definitely a good fit right there. And I went ahead and threw the white t-shirt underneath to match with those forces. You know, the forces are white and they do have that same brown as from the jacket. Can't really go wrong with that. You feel me? We got the jeans with a slight brown wash to them. Got the watch on. I mean, that watch is very versatile. It's matching with pretty much everything. Got that inside pocket right there on the jacket. The jacket is almost like a bomber style. Definitely a very good look. I mean, I could see myself wearing this to go out to eat, you know, chilling, date night, something like that, go to the movies. And when I say go out to eat, I'm not talking about 5-star, you know, something like a PF Chang's, something like that, man. You know, a nice chill vibe. And if you're interested in getting a box from Threadbeast, make sure you go to threadbeast.com. I mean, I don't have any promo codes, but they do have some good deals going right now. All right, and let me know what you think about my box. What you think about the pants, the shirt, the jacket? I mean, I feel like it was a very well-rounded box. And what about how I styled it? You know how I put it on, because they call me Mr. Put It On, you dig? But remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more stuff coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.